I love to meet people at all different points in their journey. Some of them are coming in pretty broken down, ready for a change, and some are just kind of starting the process, starting to look into it. And part of our job is just speaking to them, hearing their concerns, finding out the best way that we can help them. And the end goal is just to have them smiling, confident, and enjoying their life again.
We've been practicing in the area since the mid-'80s. It's exciting to be able to practice with my son-in-law, my daughter, and it's really exciting that they share the passion for new technology, continuing education, and to provide the best service we can for the community.
I was forever just like this. I always had my hand in front of my mouth. So now it's like I love to smile, like I'm smiling again. That's the best gift of all.
At our practices, we believe in educating the patient, so I try to really simplify things by using a lot of photography and illustrations and kind of walk the patient through the steps, step by step, explaining things in everyday terms they can understand to hopefully get them to that end result they want.
The first thing I noticed about Dr. Mark when I first met him was that he actually sat down beside me, took the time to ask me why I was there, what my issues were, because he was very calm and confident and professional, and I didn't feel like I was being judged because of my anxiety. I felt like they were going to work with me right from the beginning. It was just a very welcoming environment.
It doesn't matter where I am, what I'm doing. I'm no longer conscious of hiding my teeth. I can give a big smile in the middle of a group and not be embarrassed by it. That's been a world of difference right there.
What sets us apart is that here our doctors are trained to do the procedure from start to finish. And that gives us control over the whole process. It allows us to make sure there's no surprise costs and that you're comfortable with the person that you've gotten to know, and he'll make sure that you get the final smile that you've dreamed of.
A smile, it means a lot of things. It means happiness. It means less stress. It means you feel good about yourself. You feel good about what you do. If you can wake up with a smile, your whole day is that much better.